Hi, have you ever wondered how we ensure precision while manufacturing? Wait, let me show you a cool tool that transforms reality into precision. Hi, my name is Nidhi Samvi, reverse engineering specialist at Solid Vision, and let me show you how Solid Vision can help you inspect your parts using our latest 3D scanning technology. This tool helps you address issues that make parts difficult for manufacturing, such as deformations that occur in molding or casting. You can rectify these changes in the design stage itself. With advanced tools such as deviation analysis and dimensioning reports, you can reduce your scrap waste caused by constantly having to rework on your design and create multiple prototypes. You don't have to be a trained or an experienced metrologist to start using this tool. Because our scanners are so accessible and portable, we can come to your organization for 3D scanning of your part and you can begin the inspection process immediately. Many inspection softwares can identify issues, but with Solid Vision's experience and consulting, you can actually make changes into your CAD model and you can fix your issues faster. 3D scanning helps you create digital library for your parts so that you can perform analysis on them when the part is no longer present with you. Moreover, all the digital reports that you generate from this technology can be stored as a part of your digital library on your server or your cloud.
Step 1. Capture precise 3D scans of real-world objects with advanced 3D scanning technology and import your scans into inspection software for scan-to-CAD inspection. Step 2. Align, edit, and optimize your scans with powerful tools ensuring accuracy and detail. Step 3. Compare your scan data with the original CAD design to identify deviations and ensure quality. Pinpoint deviations with precision using our advanced CAD comparison tools. Step 4. Export your report into customizable templates across teams.